didn't propose to his girlfriend under the Northern Lights, मुझे शायद Northern Lights ट्रिप के बारे में पता ही नहीं चलता। बट अगर आप इसके बारे में जानते हो and if you have planned this Northern Lights trip this year, फिर तो आप सबसे लकी हो because 2025 is the best year to see them. Why? क्योंकि हमारा सोलर साइकिल is hitting its peak again after 11 years, जिसकी वजह से नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स का बेस्ट शो इस साल देखने मिलेगा। बट दैट डजंट मीन सिर्फ इस साल ही मिलेगा। अगर इंटेंस, कलरफुल और लंबा ऑरोरा शो देखना है तो बेस्ट टाइम इज फ्रॉम सितंबर टू मार्च। For spring, it is 20th March and for autumn, it is 22nd September. Thanks to my friend, now I know the entire process of planning the trip and how much it costs to chase the Northern Lights. प्यार मिले ना मिले, Northern Lights के दर्शन तो जरूर मिलेंगे। तो बस रनअवे गाना लगाओ स्पीकर पे, लैपटॉप लेके बैठ जाओ and follow the details. Aurora Borealis नेचर का ओजी फिल्टर है that will take your breath away. पर ये लाइट्स बनती कैसे हैं? Now imagine tiny solar particles racing millions of kilometers, colliding with Earth's atmosphere and painting the sky with colors. Oxygen और nitrogen mix होने से green और purple shades बनते हैं. Chemistry has never been so colorful, right? I remember मैंने fjord cruises में sunset देखा था। ट्रॉम्सो में husky sledding और snowmobiling का मजा ही कुछ और है। In summers, midnight sun के टाइम hiking करो या kayaking try करो crystal clear waters में। ऑस्लो का ओपेरा हाउस और बर्गन का फिश मार्केट भी मस्ट विजिट है। अब ये देखने का सपना सच करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है प्लान करना, और उसका पहला स्टेप है वीजा। Since Norway is a part of the Schengen area, Indian citizens need a Schengen visa to visit. You can apply at the Royal Norwegian Embassy in New Delhi or through a VFS Global Visa application center near you. The visa fee is rupees 7,599, but remember to add rupees 1,800 to 2,000 for VFS service as per VGS Global website. एक pro tip दूं? Besides planning your trip early, मेरी pro tip है कि don't skip travel insurance. Imagine एक छोटा सा amount आपके medical emergencies, baggage mishaps, flight delays and सारे unexpected surprises cover करता है। आदित्य बिरला कैपिटल डिजिटल ऐप, literally the ABCD app, has got plans starting from rupees 269 that makes it super easy to get covered in just a few taps. Just download, select your destination, punch in your dates and you are protected before you even pack your bags. Your Northern Lights adventure starts with getting to Tromsø. यहाँ के लिए डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स नहीं है, तो आपको ओस्लो जाना पड़ेगा। A round trip ticket from Mumbai or Delhi to Oslo will cost between 40,000 and 60,000. From Oslo, you can fly to Tromsø for rupees 5,000 to 10,000. Another option is to travel from Oslo to Narvik via Sweden and then take a bus to Tromsø. Once in Tromsø, you can join a Northern Lights tour by bus or other methods. Local transport के बारे में बात करें, transportation in Norway is efficient but a tad bit expensive. अगर शहर घूमना है तो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सबसे बेस्ट है। You can also get tram passes, सब मिला के 800 से 1500 के बीच में हो जाता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। The Norwegian Rail Pass allows unlimited train travel across the country और इसमें सेविंग्स भी हो जाती है। You can also rent a car if you want to explore Norway आराम से, और else take ferries, especially for exploring fjords. नॉर्वे में रहोगे कहाँ? Well, the country is known for its काफी महंगा accommodations, but don't worry, there's something for every budget. एक अच्छा खासा होटल ट्रॉम्सो में will cost you between rupees 8,000 to rupees 15,000 per night. Budget stays में hostels और guest houses मिलेंगे at rupees 3,000 to rupees 6,000 per night. Big spots with kitchens so you can cook some desi Maggi and cut costs. But hey, for a once-in-a-lifetime experience, you may consider booking a glass igloo at around rupees 21,000 per night, or maybe a cozy wooden cabin at rupees 7,000 to rupees 12,000 per night, where you can watch the aurora dance above you while sipping hot cocoa if you are lucky. Talking about cocoa, let's talk about the Norwegian food scene. Food in Norway is expensive, but iska bhi jugaad hai. Don't forget to try the desi Norwegian treat dagenrett, which means dish of the day during lunch. Norway is famous for its seafood, so if you love some salmon, cod and crabs, then you are sorted. For vegans, there are great places to grab waffles and sandwiches. A simple meal will cost you around Rs 3,000 to Rs 4,500. Shop from supermarkets like Kiwi, Rema 1000 and Coop to stock up on tasty and filling Norwegian treats for just Rs 1,500 to Rs 2,000. तो अब आर्कटिक की तैयारी. Let's talk survival, or as I like to call it, how not to become a human kulfi in Norway. Thermal layers, winter jackets, insulated boots, extra gloves, scarves, beanie, सब कुछ handy रखो. Buying everything can cost you around Rs 20,000. But if you don't want to splurge, rent winter gear in Tromsø at Rs 4,000 for the entire trip. Now that you have your flight, stay, khana and gear sorted, let's address what you are actually here for. The Northern Lights tour. आप solo experience कर तो सकते हो, but a guided tour is the real deal. You will get to see remote dark spots, pro tips from guides, और कभी-कभी warm guests भी if you underestimate the weather. Cost Rs 8,000 to 10,000 per tour. Worth it for that Instagram-worthy shot? Definitely. और थोड़ी सी peace of mind भी. The grand total. So let's do a final tally. Flights Rs 40,000 to Rs 60,000, visa Rs 7,599, accommodation Rs 40,000, tour Rs 20,000, food Rs 20,000, transport Rs 10,000, miscellaneous Rs 20,000 and total around Rs 1,80,000. Now that you know the approx cost और आप जाना चाहते हो तो simple है, बस plan करो. Here's how you can do that. Download the ABCD app wherein you can invest in mutual funds and SIPs. But कितने की SIP करनी चाहिए? इसके लिए SIP calculator है ना? Click on mutual funds on the app and you'll find it. उधर सारे details डालो and the app will give you कितना invest करना है per month to get to the amount required for the trip. मैंने तो Rs 5,000 से शुरू किया था and I made it happen in 2.5 years. But this depends on your budget and trip planning. Use the SIP calculator to understand your budgeting capabilities and make the dream trip happen. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it ahead and subscribe to ABCD of Money for more such content. Download the ABCD app now to simplify your finances.